Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing my 32-bit signed 32-bit calculator with 4 functions and negative numbers signed. I made it in Logisim. Here's the interface in Logisim, but I will make a programmable processor and make a physical calculator by the end of this project. But this is just the first version, so there's still some things I need to fix, which I'll get into. But this is the first version. So it's 4 functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then you'll see that there is a decimal point. There's no floating points, like I've said, but I will add them. So that's why that's there. So clear any values that are in there. I don't think there was anything inside, but we can start. We can do 23 plus 9, 32. You can do 56 times 34. 1,904. You can do 23,000 times 84,000. Why not? It's a big number. See, that's almost 2 billion. You can also do negative numbers. So if we wanted to do 45 plus negative 6, it's 39. And the division, there's no floating points. You cannot see the remainder. You just get the main. I forget what the word was. There's no remainder basically. But anything that divides cleanly you can do. So if you want to do like 21 divided by 7, 3. So that's all the operations. We'll add more operations as I go on. But I think this is good for the first version. So I kind of think the circuitry is in like four parts. The first part is this section here. This is converting input into binary. This is calculating binary. And this is turning binary back into an output. And then timing is the last section. It's just kind of spread around here. And there's just errors as well. I guess it's the 5th section, but it's just like one little thing, so it's not really that important. Anyways, this converts respective input from a button into a binary value. So that goes here into a shift register, 10 registers for 10 segments, and then as a new one comes in, as a new number comes in, it's shifted down. So once you're done and ready to send that, you hit the multiplication, or an operation, doesn't have to be multiplication, and that's goes through this, which converts it from a bunch of loose binary values into the actual number you intended to type by multiplying it by the respective power of 10. So that goes through, and then this just hooks in the negative values, which I did kind of weird, and this doesn't conform to the normal format for signed 32-bit. So I had to do a little conversion here just by having multiplying by positive or negative. But anyways, once that binary value is out, you have 2 registers to save it in, and a flip-flop to change between which register it should be in, which is just triggered by pressing any operation. And then 2 registers. These 2 registers output to respective operation, which is demultiplex from a wire up here that goes through an encoder and tells you which one was pressed, just a wire. So once you have the binary answer, it goes up through here and is turned back into a bunch of hex values, or not hex values, binary values that this can understand, as well as a negative. There's also a error screen if you overflow it. So the maximum for 32-bit signed is 2.1 billion. So if we go over that, say with 3 billion, it will flip this T flip-flop and give you an error screen, and it won't let you go press anything else until you hit clear and reset back. But I think I pressed something else and something happened. I didn't see. I think that's it. I'll keep on posting this project as I work on it. But thank you for watching, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and have a good day.